Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole and today we're going to do our miscellaneous binder. I don't remember how much we have, so we're going to go ahead and count it up. And we have 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, and 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, and 75. All right. And this is a new cash tray that will soon be available on my Etsy. I was testing out some like micro cash trays, so they're a little bit skinnier compared to our normal size one. So, and they will still come in all three sizes of the 2, 4, and 7 slots. But we're gonna go ahead and get started. Let's see. Still have to clean up my desk. All right, last week this goes to this challenge. Last week, we ended up with leaving off with Miss Eva at Budget Your Life, and we have her roll and save with the sharks. So we have the die that comes with it, and then we'll go ahead and start off with that. So we got a 6, so we can save. We'll save the 2. Okay, hold on. And then we'll go again. A 6 again. Well, we already finished the 6. So 1 color in. 1? 2 ones. All right, and we'll go one more time. 6. 6. Oh, come on. Oh my god, that didn't even go through. 6. Seriously? 4. Okay, so what do we got? 4. Let's do a 2 and a 3. Or 2 and a 1. Sorry, for 3. And I will put 2 back and take a 5. So coming in here today is $7. And then all together we have saved 20, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, and $43.
What is a 5 for?
What do you mean? Oh, it's a if you roll a 5, we would do like a roll and save. So we would roll a different die to see how much we would save.
Oh.
All right, and next up is our taco challenge from Mint Dough, and we'll go ahead and get our D6 out so we can do 2 more numbers and our phone number. Okay, let me get a pen. So we got a 4. And we're going to save $4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we'll go one more time. Another 4. All right, I'll put the 1 back and take a 5. All right, thank you. And we'll go in our menu and pick out 1 or 2 scratchers to do. All right. Sure. Where's the scratcher tool? All right, we got 1, so go ahead and scratch off that one.
What? Which one?
That one. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. Crazy. All right, so that's $9. Let's put a 1. Oh, that's not a 1. Put 1 back and take a 10. And we'll go one more time. This is 1, so that one's next. And that is a 6. So we'll take, and that will be it for that one. So all together in this challenge, we have put in today, we have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, and no, that's not right. 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, and 23. We'll go ahead and swap that out for our 20. And then all together in this one so far, we have saved 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So $104. Awesome.
Wow.
And I don't have this allocated to anything yet. But we should finish that hopefully in like 2 weeks, I think. We'll see what numbers we get next week in that. And I'm going to skip the rest of these back here because I want to get to our band challenges. So this one is a roll and save from Happy Mailbox Co. or Lisa Grateful Me on Lisa Grateful Me on YouTube. Sorry, I had a brain fart. So we're going to go ahead and do our D3 because we got a lot of spaces in here. This is going to take us a while. All right, so we got a 1. Here, hold on. Let's get... Okay. And we'll go a couple times. All right, another 1. So just put a 1 in any one of the circles. Okay. 3. Okay, we'll go... That's 5. All right, a 2. We can keep them together, so... All right, one more time. And a 3. All right, so we got 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, $10 to start it off. Awesome. Because I really need to finish some of these band challenges.
Okay.
So that way we can have the money saved up for my daughter's band, her indoor band, which costs an arm and a leg. But not nearly as much.
These challenges are for...
Yes, these are going to go to Addison's band. But our band doesn't cost nearly as much as some of the other high school bands, so that is nice, I suppose.
I like the design.
All right, here. Shoot! That's alright, I will fix these later. It's not your fault, sweetheart. It's my fault. Because my room is a mess. I have, like, no clear desk space. Okay, so I'm going to give you the scorecard. And a Sharpie. Let's see what color. We'll go with... Oh, yeah, we'll go with pink. See if we can see that pink. So we are going to... shuffle the cards up a little bit. We're going to pick up 2. So we have a taco and a margarita. So the taco wins. That's $4. So you're going to go ahead on tacos. You're going to check mark that. Put a check there in one of the boxes. Okay. We'll go again. Oh, goodness.
What?
We have nachos and a taco. So nachos and a taco. That's $3. And then nachos is chips and salsa is the winner. Okay, so put in. Yeah, that's fine. A check or whatever. Yeah, there you go. So we have chips and salsa has won. So we can take out all the money and be done with it. But I think we're gonna just go. I think we can go 2 more times, and then we will see how much we have saved in total, and we will be able to put that to our band fees. And I know that we have also put in extra challenges in here, so. Then we got 2 margaritas, so that's a draw, so nobody wins. Don't do that because you might shake the camera, please. So that's $5. What's the matter? Is it because it's thundering? Alright, and then we have chips and salsa and a taco. Chips and salsa wins. But we already have the winner, but we'll still save the $3. 1, 2, 3. So we have total 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and $15 coming in today. And then all together, we have saved. Oh, we have our little oomph challenge too. What is that? 2, 3, 4. All right, we'll take. Oh, I don't have any ones. All right, we'll just leave that. Come on, girl. No, that's 5. Okay, that's 5. I lied. Can you want to mark off all those 4 spots? All right, so all together in our Panda versus Taco and couple oomph challenges for our band fees, we have saved 20, 40, 60, 80, 120, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30. Let's see. 20, 40, 60, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Oh my gosh, I did it. Okay. Let me try that one more time. 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Okay, 150. All right. We'll just paper clip. Let me put, let's see, band and 150. Awesome. That is definitely gonna get us almost to that like $400 we need for her indoor band fees. Awesome. That's amazing.
$100?
Yes, I do. And we're gonna keep this challenge because this is the second time I've played it through. I really love that challenge. So that one is done. Awesome. And our next one for band is our build a s'more, which we are getting close to being done with that. All right, so we're build a s'more. We're almost done. And this is also going to go to our band fee. So hopefully, fingers crossed, this will get us even a step closer. What we got 4? Well, we have got all of our 4s. So we need a 2. All right, mark off the 2. Just put like an X in there. Like, okay, so that built the s'more. So write a 5 down there. Mm-hmm.
I can't even see that.
Yeah, I know. Let's see. How much do we have? We can do a couple more. A 3. Go ahead, do the 3. Feel like nothing because we haven't built a s'more. So we need a 1 and 2 2s. I feel like 4. We should probably just okay, a 1. Go ahead, put that one there. Let me see what is after this one. Yeah, we'll just go ahead and let's see. I can't finish them because I need $10. I need 10 extra dollars, so I can't finish that one. So we have a total of $5, $6, $7, $8, $9, $10, and $11 going in today. Oh, I can put the $4 in there. Awesome. Okay, so we need $4. So what can we mark off for $4? This is our off challenge to get a little extra money in there. Awesome. So we can put that 4 in there. So all together for this challenge for our band fees, we have 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80, 81, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 90, 91, 92, 93, 94. So $94. Awesome. So when I finish this challenge, we should have enough to get that indoor band fee funded. So we will start off. I'm not sure if I'm going to do this one, but we'll leave the paperclip here. We didn't get through all of the challenges. We almost did, but now that our one band challenge is done, that is awesome. Oh, this one goes in here. And I haven't cut it out yet, but we also have another, I also have another 3D printed challenge that I am going to post soon, ASAP. Where did the little gingerbread man go? All right, I had to find the gingerbread ladies, but this is going to be our board. We are going to go on a gingerbread man hunt, and you're going to capture all the gingerbread men. Pick a gingerbread out of the bag and save the amount on the bottom. So you'll get 10 of these cute little gingerbread men, and they have numbers on the bottom. I figured out how to get the numbers in there when I printed them, so I don't have to write them on there. So I'm excited about that. So you have 1 through 10. I haven't laminated this or cut it out yet, but I just finished the game board. And we've been doing all the fun Sunday family things, so we haven't gotten to this part yet, but I just wanted to show you to kind of give you a little sneak peek of what is to come in the next couple of days on my Etsy. And if you have any questions, please leave me in the comments down below, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!